Prison, officially known as the Penitentiary Institution Haglanden, is a fascinating blend of history and modern justice. Nestled in
Yes, so guys, welcome back again sa ating channel. So for today's vlog ay pag-usapan natin ang ating mahal na Pangulong si Tatay Digong, na kung saan ang update na dito pala ikukulong o dito pala ilalagay si Tatay Digong, yung mahal na Pangulo natin na 79 years old, na matanda na may sakit na. Imagine nyo na ganito yung kahinatnan, kung saan ganito po yung madadatnan or mapupuntahan ni Tatay Digong sa The Hague, Netherlands, na kung saan ay isang kulungan. So ito po, meron akong papakitang video sa The Hague Prison. So let's go guys, panoorin natin. Nakakaawa talaga si Tatay Digong kung dito talaga ilalagay nila si Tatay Digong sa kulungan.
officially known as the Penitentiary Institution
Balik tayo. Ito yan.
Officially known as Hague Prison, officially known as the Penitentiary Institution Haglanden, is a fascinating blend of history and modern justice. Nestled in the heart of The Hague, this facility has housed some of the most notorious criminals in the Netherlands. It's not...
Isipin nyo, sabi niya notorious criminal daw sa Netherlands, yung The Hague Prison, diba?
Not just a prison. It's a symbol of the country's approach to rehabilitation over punishment. The detention center focuses on reintegration, offering inmates educational programs and vocational training. This progressive mindset aims to reduce recidivism and help former inmates reintegrate into society successfully. Interestingly, the prison also has a unique feature. It's designed to minimize the feeling of confinement with natural light and open spaces. The Hague is also home to the International Criminal Court, emphasizing the city's role in global justice.
So ito na yun guys, yung International Criminal Court.
International law enforcement makes The Hague a pivotal location for understanding modern penal systems. The prison isn't just about punishment. It's about creating a pathway to a better future for those who have strayed. The Hague Prison.
So sana wag naman dito, no? Sana wag dito ilalagay si Tatay Digong, kasi imagine, ang tanda na nun, 79 years old, may sakit pa, para halos nga hindi na makalakad, tapos dito nilalagay. So makikita natin guys yung sa mga comment dito na sinasabi ng mga kababayan natin na Tatay Digong doesn't deserve this place, di ba? Hindi talaga deserve ni Tatay Digong na dito siya ilalagi, no? Sabi niya, mas masasahol pang mapuntahan ni sabi niya, ang daming mga comments na dismaya. Sabi nga, correct, Tatay Digong doesn't deserve this place. Masyado daw pangit, 'di ba? So napakaano talaga, praying for Tatay Digong. So ang dami talagang mga kababayan natin na dismayado sa kung anong mga nangyari kay Tatay Digong ngayon, na dinala siya sa Netherlands. So abangan natin mga kababayan natin na kung ano pang mga update sa kaso ni Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat po.